Okay, so guys, this is the 21 volt from Amazon. It claims that it can take out the tires. If not, I'm returning this. Justin, focus. Let's see. Let's do this. All right. Ready, Justin?
Yeah.
It's a dud. I'm returning this, Justin.
It's not working?
Nope.
That's crazy.
It's a dud, Justin.
That's crazy.
Oh.
Did it work?
Did it, Justin? I don't know. Let's see. Might be a keeper, I don't know.
Is that the siren going off?
It's a siren, yeah.
Why does it always go off in Jersey? Does that mean I was like in a store or something?
Try another one, Justin.
I'll just do it. Scooby, what are you doing?
Alright, that's it, Justin.
Alright guys, here we are. I got my cordless impact wrench, the AOBEN. And I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. I'm just new to this brand, but I'm very impressed. Model AB7335. Very powerful 21 volt 4-hour batteries or 400N and up to 3,000 RPM. It is very compact and very awesome. I was just trying it out for the first time. It actually came with a few things. I thought it was just going to have just one or two of these, but it actually came with 6 different style ones. This is a half-inch model. I got it for $89.99 in Amazon. The days of paying $300 for a brushless impact wrench are over, and you also get this package right there. So a lot for the value. And on Amazon, you can also put the insurance. I believe it was $14.99 for like 4 years, which is awesome. I either get to just buy a Sherry or a Square Trade, but both of the companies, whichever ones, they're awesome, and you'll have lots of life with this. So I went ahead and just put this one on here, and we can go ahead and switch it on right here, and just click it on. And has a light that automatically comes on. Wow, I can feel the power, air coming out. No need for a compressor no longer. The battery, you can switch the modes right here. You can turn it off completely and holding it down. And you can also, have the charger here, of course, to be able to charge it. So overall, I can tell you, I am impressed by this. I can't wait to use it more. Pretty good product. Thanks for watching.
Alright, comes with a nice bag. All sizes you'll need. And I needed 17, so. This right here, and this clip is for your belt. I'm going to hook that on right there. I haven't done it yet. Here's your charger, which plugs into the battery once you have it unplugged. So let me show you. I could do it with one hand. I can't. Doubt it. Anyhow, when you take this off, there's a plug-in for it. Let's take my word for it. And it tells where you are. You are right there. So you can see that I'm full. 100%. Yeah, this thing's got some power. Alright, so I'm going to go try it on my BMW. And I've got to do a tire rotation. 17 millimeter. This thing's awesome. I'll let you know how it goes.
Completely stopped. We're going back to use my manual one.
AOBEN joint. Let me see if it'll pull the lug nuts off the tire. Have a good one. And it does not. So the big boy trucks, obviously this ain't got enough torque for it. None of them are coming on. Alright. Not enough torque for the big boy truck, so I'm sending this back. snow walking. If it